Okay, it seems I'll have to start all over and afresh. I want to show how I came about this flyer, as you can see here, and I'll hide all layers and gradually reveal them to reveal the thought process behind each element. Now let's go. Let's go there. Okay. This is the background layer, of which I chose a dark color, and the aim of choosing this dark color is because of what the flyer talks about. It talks about something techy, software development, and also to bring out the clarity of the glow features and light features I'll be implementing in the design. Then move over to this illustration. Is a screen containing codes to talk about because the topic is about coding, is about software development. So I had to use this illustration, and I had to fade it with this layer, this brush, picking a darker value of this background color and fading the image into the background. This rectangle is for the placement of information, and it aligns with, I picked the color from the illustration for unity. And this is the shadow of our robot. This is one of the polygons, one of the bullets for our text. Then move over to our robot. As you can see, its color is somehow contrasted from the background. The unity is not clear, so I had to use values of color balance and color fill. Color balance mostly, color balance, to balance it with the colors you see on the flyer. This is to help to aid unity and to prevent a chaotic feel in the design. And you can see in the color balance I added more of blue and more of cyan to balance it. Now our color fill, this is to make it darker, so that to introduce our brush to expose, for exposure, that is to give a light feel. A light, you can see as if light is coming from this side and striking on the robot to reveal the robot and make it a center point of focus even after the title. Now, okay, this PNG, I didn't use all this. Now this is the title. And become a full stack developer in 3 months. You can see this frame to put our text, and you see where I faded some parts. You can just do that with when you create your rectangle and you put your stroke. Depends on the manner of stroke you want, either dotted stroke or stuff like that. Then you now look at this area. This is the adjust. This is the marks. You max it. The reason why you max it is so that you can remove areas that you don't want. When you max it, you now take your brush and it will automatically set this place to black. Black is to hide, that is, hide certain areas you don't want. But if you want it white, if you change it to white, you reveal the areas you want. So that is one of the advantage of using marks to erase or to fade something. You can return it to whichever way it was before using brush. But if you just used eraser, to have to return it, you might have to go through a particular process again. So, or you might have to Ctrl Z and lose many layers. So this is one of the importance of using marks brush to erase. So I erased some parts. As you see, it's as if it faded into the background. It looks professional. Now this is a revelation of this. You can see this that looks like waves. Should I call them waves or signals? Not really signals, but it looks like something of a speedy feel. which shows the techie disposition of the flyer, because tech is all about signals, something swift and stuff like that, and it has to look energetic. So I introduced this element here. Now also the light features, the light made it brighter, and the introduction of light to the eyes to give that feeling of that robotic feeling you can get now. You can get this subtitle is revealed here. Okay, what's this? Okay, I think this was something of a book, but it was not needed. Okay, these are our elements to place. Okay, this one was not needed. Now the coarse focus, as you can see, I ensured unity. The coarse focus, I didn't put it white. Why? There's a kind of eye movement control I wanted. That is, this you can see become a full stack is white. This one this color, this one white. This one has to follow this color. Kind of balance is achieved using that kind of systematic motion of movement. You can also see this Y join the same color. I introduced a kind of dotted rectangle here, but I didn't put here. It's a kind of psychological playing. If I put it here, it might look too chaotic and shouty. But if I put it here, it's well balanced. You see, when you are talking about designing, you need to think about possibilities, possible areas in which some certain elements will not work, and that's why you are a designer. Now, okay, you can see I've revealed the polygons which serve as our bullet in their different areas and perspectives. Okay, now the revelation of the text. Okay, let's reveal the text, all the text. Let's not waste time. Reveal all of them. You can see if you want to review many things at once, you just tap on this eye that was off, you tap it, then you just scroll your mouse upward to the area you want to review. It will review all of them automatically. That is how Photoshop works. So moving over to our rounded rectangle.